Hi everyone, today we're talking about how to transform your room into a clean, organized, and beautiful space that inspires and calms you. I'll share unique and practical tips to make your room look stunning and easy to maintain. Let's get started. 1. The importance of a fresh start. The first step to a beautiful and organized room is to start fresh. This means taking everything out, or at least as much as you can, so you're starting with a blank canvas. It's much easier to reorganize a room when you're not working around piles of stuff. Begin with a decluttering process. Grab 3 boxes or bags and label them keep, donate, and trash. Go through every item in your room and ask yourself these questions. Do I use this regularly? Does this add value to my life or make me happy? Is this in good enough condition to keep? If the answer is no, it doesn't belong in your space. Be honest with yourself. Holding on to things just in case is one of the biggest reasons rooms become cluttered. Set a timer for each area to keep yourself on track. Once you've sorted everything, deal with the donate and trash piles immediately. This fresh start will make the next steps so much easier and more effective. 2. Defining zones for a functional layout. Once your room is cleared out, it's time to think about how you use your space and what you want it to feel like. A great way to stay organized is by dividing your room into zones based on activities. For example, sleep zone. Your bed should be the coziest, most inviting spot in the room. Keep this area clear of clutter to promote relaxation. Work zone. If you have a desk, make it a space that encourages focus. Use desk organizers, a small lamp, and maybe a plant to keep it tidy and functional. Self-care zone. This could be your dresser, a small vanity, or even just a corner with a mirror and some of your favorite products. Visually defining these zones helps create structure in your room and makes it easier to maintain. Use rugs, different lighting, or even wall decor to separate each area subtly. This setup ensures that everything has a place and that your room serves all your needs efficiently. 3. Habits for long-term cleanliness. Keeping your room clean isn't just about organizing once, it's about maintaining those changes over time. Developing small daily habits can make a huge difference. Make your bed every morning. This simple task instantly makes your room look put together. The 5-min rule. Spend 5 minutes at the end of each day tidying up. Put away clothes, straighten up your desk, and make sure everything is in its place. 1 in, 1 out. Whenever you bring something new into your room, get rid of something old. This keeps clutter from building up again. Develop a cleaning schedule. Break down tasks into daily, weekly, and monthly routines. For example, daily, make your bed, put away clothes, and tidy up surfaces. Weekly, vacuum, dust, and organize drawers. Monthly, deep clean your closet, wash curtains, or clean windows. Clean as you go. Tidy while you work. Fold clothes or wipe surfaces immediately after use. Follow the 1-minute rule. Tackle tasks that take less than a minute immediately, like hanging clothes or tossing trash. Designate a spot for everything. Assign places for all items, shoes, books, chargers to make tidying effortless. 4. Clever storage solutions to maximize space. Storage is the backbone of an organized room. Without the right storage solutions, it's easy for things to pile up and feel out of control. Start with hidden storage options. Underbed storage bins are perfect for seasonal clothes, extra blankets, or anything you don't need access to every day. For smaller items, consider drawer dividers or small baskets. These are great for keeping things like socks, accessories, or makeup neatly organized. Wall-mounted shelves can add storage without taking up any floor space, and they're perfect for displaying books, decor, or even functional items like skincare products. Finally, don't underestimate the power of labeling. Labels make it easy to find what you're looking for and encourage you to put things back in their proper place. 5. Decorating to reflect your personality. Once your room is decluttered and organized, it's time to focus on making it beautiful. Start by choosing a cohesive color palette. This doesn't mean everything has to match perfectly, but sticking to a theme, like soft pastels, neutral tones, or bold jewel colors, will create a more harmonious look. Lighting plays a huge role in making a room feel inviting. Add fairy lights for a cozy touch, or invest in a good desk lamp. Plants, whether real or faux, instantly make any space feel fresh and vibrant. Choose low-maintenance options like succulents if you're not into plant care. For the walls, try a mix of functional and decorative items. Hang a calendar or vision board near your desk, and add framed photos, posters, or art that inspires you. Mirrors are another great addition. They not only make a room feel bigger, but also reflect light to brighten the space. The goal is to create a room that feels uniquely yours while staying clean and cohesive. 6. Advanced organization tips and tricks. If you want to take your room organization to the next level, here are some advanced techniques to try. Color-coded systems. Assign a color to different categories of items. For example, use pink bins for beauty products, blue for stationery, and so on. It's visually pleasing and keeps things organized. Cord management. Use cable organizers to keep your chargers, headphones, and other cords tangle-free. Attach them under your desk or behind furniture for a seamless look. These little tweaks can save you a lot of time and effort while ensuring your room stays in top shape. 7. Incorporate scent for a relaxing ambience. Adding a signature scent to your room can make it feel more inviting. Try these options. Use an essential oil diffuser with calming scents like lavender or eucalyptus. Opt for scented candles or reed diffusers in your favorite fragrance. Keep sachets of potpourri or scented drawer liners to freshen up storage spaces. And that's it, a simple guide to keeping your room clean, organized, and beautiful. A tidy space can truly boost your mood and productivity. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.